Hey guys, just a quick video today to show you these tomato plants that I've been growing in this container. This is just a small planter that you can have on your deck or whatever. It's decent size, but I've managed to fit 5 tomato plants in here. 2 of them I grew from seed and the other 3 were just ones that I bought as tiny little plants from the store. And as you can see, they've got quite big. The soil that I used in here was some vegetable mix, but I also mixed through some blood and bone and also some sheep manure, just to make sure they had enough nutrients, and I've just been giving them quite a lot of water as well. They do seem to require quite a bit of water, especially being in a container that drains quite easily. So here's some of the bunches of tomatoes that we have growing. There's small ones, there's slightly bigger ones, and it's also still flowering at the moment as well. But I have just been kind of cutting bits of the ends off just to make sure that it starts putting the nutrients more into the tomatoes than into continuing growing. I'm actually going away for about a month and I won't be at home at all, so I'm unfortunately not going to be able to enjoy these tomatoes, but my flatmates will. That's the reason I'm doing this video now before they're fully ripe, because I'm going to be going away very shortly. Down the bottom here as well, I chucked in some basil seeds, and some of them have done okay, but they've grown really slowly. I think it's just because the tomato plants have been taking most of the energy to grow the tomatoes, but that's totally fine. I just chucked them in there to see what would happen. But I hope you guys found this interesting and want to give it a try yourself. It just shows you that even if you don't have a lot of space, you can still grow some really cool stuff, even in a planter just as big as this. If you enjoyed, please do check out some of my other videos and click the subscribe button as well. Alright, we'll see you in the next video.